My kitchen is installed. Remember all those boxes in the entryway? Well, this is what it turned into. I did already have the table. It seats 6 right now. There's 2 leaves and I can make it into 12, which will be great for the family dinners. And here is the kitchen. The island can be moved around if I wanted to, but I like it there right now. I have the microwave, and underneath that hidden is the dishwasher, a farmhouse sink. And these tiles were already there, so I got lucky on that part. A couple of them are cracked, as you might see, but that's okay. That adds character, and I'm going to grout it anyway. The stove's great. Over here's a big refrigerator. The island I love, as I said. I know the furniture's white. I don't want to hear about it. I'm going to put a bunch of color in. I'm so excited. I want to show you before I decorated. I did not know that TV was that large until I got it home. I thought that it was normal size, but they look different in the store. Now, the best part of the house, as you know, is the view. And here you go. Perfect to cook right next to that. It looks like a wallpaper in the background, but it's not. I swear it's real.